Hi, I'm Dr. Natalia Spierings, a consultant dermatologist here in Dubai, and today I want to share with you my experience of having Centerstone Interiors renovate my new apartment here and making it into my dream home. From the very beginning, when Centerstone Interiors came in, they really impressed me. They're very professional, they're very attentive to details. They really took the time to understand what I wanted to do with my apartment, kind of the vision I had for the way I wanted to look and feel. And they were able to transform this apartment into what you see now, which is this really peaceful, kind of quiet sanctuary where I can come home after a day of work and just relax and unwind and kind of take in the view of Dubai and just unwind from my day. All the materials are really high quality. They really utilize the space well. It's not a huge apartment, it's a one-bedroom apartment, so I wanted to utilize the space as well as possible for all my stuff, and they really helped me do that with custom-made cabinets and building in my wardrobe into my bedroom, for example. If you're looking to renovate your home or apartment in Dubai, I highly recommend Centerstone Interiors to help you create the home of your dreams. They will definitely not disappoint you.